Hi guys, welcome to Software Dive channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to spoof the GPS location on your iPhone. In this method, you'll need a computer to install this iOS GPS spoofing app. Free download and install this app on your computer from the video description below. After purchasing a subscription plan, you can get started. Launch the program on your computer and connect your iPhone to your computer with a USB cable. When the iPhone pops up a screen, ask you, trust this computer or not, choose trust and enter your password. Wait for 10 seconds and then click start. Hit modify location. Type the location you want to spoof your iPhone to. Or you can choose a location from the searching histories. The program will prompt you to enable the developer mode on your iPhone. It tells you to go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and then turn on developer mode on your device. Let's do it. Tap Settings, tap Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way down and enable the developer mode. Tap Restart to reboot your iPhone. During the rebooting process, you can disconnect your iPhone. When the iPhone restarts, it should let you confirm enabling the developer mode. Unlock the screen and then hit Turn On when it pops up. Tap the Turn On option and enter your password to turn on the developer mode. Reconnect your iPhone to the computer. Hit Modify Location. Firstly, I will change my location to Los Angeles in the United States. Also, I'm out of the United States. The location is spoofed successfully. Then I select two-spot mode from the top right corner of the screen and choose another spot as the endpoint. After hitting Start mode, I can see my GPS location is moving between the two spots. Besides, the app offers multiple stop mode and joystick mode. I'm happy that now I can play the Pokemon Go games in a restricted countries with my VPN app. And also you can check the GPS location moving routes on your iPhone. Your motion speed can be set as walking, cycling, or car driving. What should you do if you want to set the device location as your real location? Just disconnect your iPhone from your computer and reboot your iPhone. If you feel our video is a little helpful for you, please give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your watching. Bye guys. See you in next video.